Okay.
So this is a turbocharger for a '04 Ford 6.0 liter diesel. This particular part was bought from Ford Heavy Liner or something like that off of eBay by the used car dealer. It was replaced. The original was replaced because it smoked.
Okay.
When we put this one on, it went to we got a P0299 code, which generally means bad computer or bad turbocharger.
And you've already taken this piece off.
We've already taken it partially apart, and I'm going to now take it all the way apart here to see what I can find in here. Generally speaking, what happens to these is the wastegate gets stuck right in here. I've already marked it in 2 places. It's not absolutely necessary to mark it, but the points at which it lines up at can't be seen as you're putting it back together, so it's always good to have a visual aid. So, taking it apart from here, just a minor little issue.
Don't hurt yourself.
This is what the inside of a turbo looks like. Looks like he used a whole bunch of anti-seize here. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. So this is it's getting stuck out here on the edges. Not bad looking. Not bad looking. It doesn't look. Looks like it's been on a vehicle for some time, actually, not for just a little bit of time. Okay. Back and forth. Here we've got it. Here's our problem. This doesn't turn far enough. It's supposed to go all the way in both directions. So here's our 299 code. This is supposed to actually go all the way around, and it doesn't. It only goes to a certain point. So when you put this back together, he didn't line this up properly. Okay, that's what's wrong with it.
Cactus Car Care. He's actually with the customer right now. Could I help you with something?
Yeah, this is just wrong. Okay.
Yeah, of course. No worries. Alright, have a good day. Bye. She said on the 2012 Expedition, if you could check the fluids, hoses, and belts while you're at it.
Absolutely. You can do that. Alright, there's nothing else to be told on this one. This is incorrectly installed when he rebuilt the turbocharger, so now we know what's wrong with it, and we can fix this and we can put it on somebody else's car.